How has 2024 shaped you? From the personal battles to the global upheavals, this year has pushed us to our limits in ways we never anticipated. Each year carries its own story, but for many, 2024 has been a testament to resilience in the face of unexpected challenges. Tough times may be inevitable, but they certainly do not define who we are. Instead, they provide invaluable lessons that can propel us forward. As we prepare to turn the page to a new chapter, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned and how we can harness that knowledge to rise above adversity. In this video, we invite you to uncover powerful strategies for maintaining motivation during life's storms and seizing the exceptional opportunities that await you in 2025. Welcome back to Success Rebels TV, where we ignite your journey toward an extraordinary and fulfilling life. Today, we'll delve into the 10 most impactful pieces of advice on how to stay motivated when the going gets tough. Are you ready to unlock your potential and become truly unstoppable? Let's dive in and discover the power within you to overcome any obstacle. Advice number 1. Know your limits. Understanding your boundaries is a vital step toward personal empowerment. Life can often feel overwhelming, and acknowledging what you can and cannot control is liberating. Letting go of what's beyond your grasp clears your mind and allows you to concentrate on what truly matters. Instead of striving for an impossible perfection, focus your energy on priorities that enrich your life. With this clarity, you'll find it easier to set realistic goals for yourself. So now, let's move on to our second piece of advice. Advice number 2. Set attainable goals. Transform your grand visions into achievable milestones. Not every thought deserves your attention. Some are merely fleeting ideas. By breaking down your long-term aspirations into smaller, manageable goals, you create a roadmap for success. Celebrate every little victory along the way. Each step forward solidifies your progress and provides the motivation to keep going, reminding you that every achievement counts. As you build this momentum, it's essential to maintain a constructive mindset. This brings us to our next crucial insight. Advice number 3. Cultivate a positive mindset. A positive mindset is not just an uplifting cliche. It's a crucial tool in navigating difficult times. Train your brain to view challenges as springboards to success rather than setbacks. By affirming your strengths and the positives, you empower yourself to approach obstacles confidently. Embrace each challenge as an opportunity for growth and trust in your capacity to overcome. Once you've established this positive outlook, remember the importance of surrounding yourself with supportive voices. That leads us to our next piece of advice. Advice number 4. Surround yourself with success. The power of community cannot be overstated. Being in the company of individuals who have triumphed over their struggles can ignite your motivation and determination. When you surround yourself with like-minded people who inspire and uplift you, you cultivate an environment that fosters resilience. Evaluate your circle. Are they propelling you toward your aspirations? Seek connections that energize your spirit and bolster your resolve. And as you strengthen your support network, it's equally important to reflect on what might be holding you back. Moving on, we head to our next analytic insight. Advice number 5. Understand the roots of demotivation. To combat feelings of discouragement, it's crucial to identify their origins. Take a step back and analyze what has shifted since your outlook was more optimistic. What factors contributed to your motivation in the past? Understanding these dynamics allows you to navigate your emotions better and reclaim your drive. Seek clarity in chaos and turn introspection into your ally. With this newfound understanding, you'll be better prepared to implement strategies that build resilience, which we'll delve into next. Advice number 6. Write down your goals. Harness the profound power of penning down your goals. This simple act becomes your blueprint, a steadfast anchor you can revisit whenever you feel adrift. Your compass prompts you to reflect, why did I embark on this journey? What was the vision that fueled my determination? Your written goals are an unwavering reminder that can reignite your passion and propel you back on track. When you articulate your aspirations, they transition from mere dreams into tangible targets, fostering a sense of accountability that propels you forward. Overcoming challenges is a deliberate pursuit, and with your goals clearly outlined, you can confidently navigate any storm. Next, we move on to the next tip of the day. Advice number 7. Craft a strategic plan and commit to it. Life's distractions can easily sway you off your course, which is why a meticulously crafted plan is indispensable. While it's effortless to ignite your enthusiasm at the start, the true test lies in dismissing doubts and overcoming obstacles as they arise. Your plan is your shield, an intentional route that keeps you laser-focused on your goals. Additionally, tracking your progress becomes a seamless endeavor, allowing you to celebrate milestones and stay aligned with your vision. As you master the art of discipline, remember that unpredictability is part of the journey. Setbacks may occur, but are temporary detours. Refuse to let adversity derail you. Your plan and your commitment are the guiding stars you can rely on. Advice number 8. Embrace the power of taking breaks. In the relentless pace of life, the importance of pausing cannot be overstated. When the weight of your commitments feels overwhelming, take a moment to step back and breathe. This isn't a sign of weakness, but a vital strategy to regain your focus. By permitting yourself to rest, you'll recalibrate your mind and center your energy on what truly matters. A short pause can recharge your spirit and restore your motivation, helping you tackle challenges with renewed vigor. Recognize when you're stretching yourself too thin and gracefully retreat for a moment, only to return stronger, clearer, and unstoppable. Advice number 9. Acknowledge and accept your reality. To transcend challenges, you must first accept them. Acknowledging the existence of a problem is half the battle won. By facing it head-on, you empower yourself to devise a robust plan for resolution. This acceptance paves the way for growth, teaching you resilience and fortitude. You may need to seek support, but do so with confidence. There's strength in collaboration. Your ability to tackle hurdles head-on transforms you into a formidable force. The obstacles may persist, but you can navigate them gracefully with your newfound clarity and determination. We're finally down to our final advice to keep you on your feet and encourage you never to give up. Ultimate rebel advice. Keep pushing forward. Never give up. The narrative that giving up signifies failure couldn't be more misleading. Understand that every moment of struggle serves a purpose and that resilience defines the journey. When life becomes overwhelming, pause, regroup, and recharge. A brief retreat allows you to clear your mind and regain your focus. The road to success is seldom linear. It requires unwavering tenacity. Recognize that your dream deserves relentless pursuit. Every successful individual has faced obstacles. Their stories remind us that perseverance transforms aspirations into achievements. Are you feeling the weight of setbacks, questioning whether your journey is worth it? Remember, even the most accomplished face their share of trials. The beauty of your journey lies not just in the destination, but in the strength you cultivate along the way. Share with us the advice that resonates with you most. I'm eager to hear your thoughts in the comments. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? If you want to find more ways to keep your spirit uplifted and alive for the new year, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll return with more inspiring and life-changing videos next Sunday.